Hey, so I wanted to talk about something pretty cool today. You know how when you're giving product demos, you always get those follow-up questions like, can't I do this? Or what about that? And you either have to stop the flow in between or schedule another meeting to address them later. Yeah, it's sometimes frustrating. Well, I found something that handles that for you. This is DemoDazzle. And one of the best features I've found is how the AI can actually answer the questions from your visitors. So your visitor asks a question about your product or service, and the AI jumps in and gives them a relevant answer and keep them engaged without you lifting a finger.
Is there a required end-user contract length?
Nope, there's no required contract length. You're free to use Stickum on a month-to-month basis.
I have to admit, it is different from other chatbots. I mean, we have all seen those generic basic chatbots that give answers and don't really help. But DemoDazzle's AI is different. It's actually smart enough to understand your product, and when your visitor is asking, it gives tailored responses based on the demo content. It's like having someone there to handle the Q&A for you, even when you are not around. I
We have provided AI features for generating content related to our topic, for adding. Yes, you can share your document with others. Just send them a link via email or share it directly. Super easy.
I used to spend so much time in demos answering the same questions over and over again, and sometimes I'd miss one or have to go back later to clarify. But now the AI is on it. Visitors get instant answers, and I can focus on the bigger picture instead of being bogged down with every little details. One thing I really like is how the AI doesn't just randomly answers questions. It pulls from the demo content you have already set up and the training information you have given to the AI. So if someone asks about pricing or a specific feature, the AI knows where to pull that info from, and it feels natural. It keeps your visitor engaged and you don't lose that flow. Plus, after the demo, you can actually see what questions were asked, how the AI responded, and which part of the demo people were most interested in. It's like getting real time feedback on how your demo is landing with potential clients. That kind of insight is hard to get in a live demo without spending hours manually following up. Look, we all know that answering every question during a demo can be exhausting, and sometimes you just don't have the answer on the spot. DemoDazzle's AI take a lot of that pressure off, making sure your visitor feels like they are getting all the information they need, even if you are not there to answer it live. It's like having an extra team member working 24/7. So basically, you're not missing any demos. The AI can handle more detailed questions too. It's been trained to understand the content of the demo, so it's not just spitting out generic answers. It's actually helping your visitors make informed decisions. Honestly, the AI-driven Q&A has been a game changer for me. I can run demos knowing that if I miss something, the AI's got my back. It keeps my visitor engaged, answers their questions, and saves me a ton of follow-up work. If you're someone who runs a lot of demos and feel bogged down by all the questions, this is definitely something to check out. It's smart, it's simple, and it makes you look like you're on top of everything, even when you are not. DemoDazzle definitely worth a try if you're looking to streamline your demos and keep your visitors engaged.